and I want to expand that. That would be h plus 2x times h plus 2x times h plus 2x times h plus 2x. A lot of foiling. This is a nice little shortcut. So if you look at these, if I'm going to the fourth power, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. It's always one more term than your power. So I like to start with the 5 spot. These are the multipliers on each of the terms. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So we went right across that row. Those are my multipliers. And now what you do is you take this first term here, this h, that's my a term, and whatever power it is, that's what you start with at the beginning. So this will be h to the fourth. Then you take that term and you decrease the exponent by 1. So h cubed, then h squared, then h to the first, and then h to the 0, which you don't need because anything to the 0 power goes to a 1, goes away. Then take the second term, which is a positive 2x, start at the end and do the same thing. Put that to the fourth power, so make sure you use parentheses though, because there's a 2 and an x. Now we decrease the exponent by 1. Cubed, 2x squared, 2x to the first, and then to the 0 power goes to 1. And now it's just a matter of simplifying each term. So 1, and this is all multiplied, 1 times h to the fourth. Throw away the parentheses, that's to the first power. I'll have a 4 times the 2, that'll make an 8. H cubed, and there's an x. Here, I've got to square the 2 first. 2 squared is 4, times the 6 is 24. I have an h squared, and I'll have an x squared. Here, cube, do your powers first. 2 cubed is 8. 8 times the 4 in front is 32. H, x is cubed. And then the last term, 2 to the fourth. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 16. Times the 1 is still 16, x to the fourth. Okay, again, this is a skill you're going to be using in the next chapter. Let's practice one more. Call it good. Let's take 3x minus 2y cubed. Alright, so the cubing row, because that's a 3, I know I've got 4 terms. You always have one more term than you are the power you're raising to. So again, I like to put down the multipliers. Actually the spots and then the multipliers. So my cubing row, the multipliers are 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Now I take my a term, my first one, which is a 3x, and I start it out to this exponent. So it's the quantity 3x to the third because it's cubing, 3x squared, 3x to the first, and then nothing on the 0 because that goes to 1. My b term is a negative 2y, start on the end, put it in parentheses, and put it to the third power because of that, and I'll decrease by 1. And now we just do the cranking through here. So 3 cubed is something I don't know. 3 cubed, 27. 27, x cubed. I'm going to square first, so I've got 9. Times the 3 is 27. Times the negative 2. So 27 times the negative 2 is a negative 54. X squared. Y to the first, so just y. Next term, take care of the powers first. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So a positive 36 x y squared. And I write the x first because I wrote the x first here. And then our last term is negative 2 cubed is a negative 8, so minus 8, and that'll be y cubed. Okay, the assignment then. Let's see, I'll go up here. Page 64. Quickies 1 through 9 odd. Oh, I lied. That's, I lied. Page 68. Quickies 1 through 10. Problems 1 and 2 only. And then I'm going to give you 3 Pascal binomials to expand. It'll be 3x squared minus 2y cubed to the 5th, 2x minus 1 cubed. You might want to start with that one, the easier one. And then we'll go x cubed plus 2 to the 4th. So 3 expansions. There we go.